So today we're going to talk a little bit about resizing images for email, especially for submitting them for online judging. First we're going to do it in Photoshop. You go up to Image, select Image Size. There it is. And you're going to get this little window. You want to make sure Resample Image on the bottom is selected. So you can type in the first two boxes, width and height. You're going to select Best for Reduction, type in the maximum dimension as required by your email submission, and it will resize the image. Then you're going to go to File, Save As, and you're going to pick JPEG. Almost all online submissions require JPEG format. And after you pick JPEG, you're going to check your online submission form for the required naming convention. Most online submissions require you to name your file in a certain way, so make sure you do that. Then we're going to just hit Save. And then we have this quality option. It gives us the file size right there. We can make the JPEG of a lower quality and reduce the file size if we need to. And that's it for Photoshop. In GIMP, which is a free graphics editor, it's very similar. To resize the image, you're going to go to Image, Scale Image, and you're going to get a similar window. You're going to type in the maximum dimension allowed for your submission, and it will automatically resize the other dimension to maintain the scale. So you just hit OK. Here is a little bit different. Instead of Save As to get a JPEG, you have to go to File, Export, and on the bottom right there's a pull-down menu. And you're going to scroll down to that and select JPEG. And we're going to check for our naming convention for the online submission again and make sure we follow it. I've just made one up for our exercise today, but usually it includes a date, a title, etc. So we're going to use our fake naming convention. And we're going to hit Export. Get a similar window for the quality of the JPEG. There's some advanced options that you usually don't need for an email file. And that's it. You have a file ready to attach to your email. That's it for GIMP. And one more example, we're going to do an iPhoto. iPhoto does not give you as much control over the process, but you can still export and resize a JPEG. So we're going to go up to File after we select the picture, Export, and we already have JPEG picked. We already have the quality picked. We can go to Custom Size, and it will ask for our maximum dimension. So we can type in 10,024 pixels, because that's the maximum dimension allowed for our submission. We're going to put it on maximum quality and just hit Export. And it's going to ask us where we want to save it and give us a chance to rename it. So we're going to use our naming conventions again and type in a new name for the file. The file location of pictures is OK, so we're going to hit OK. And those are the three different ways you can resize your photos for email submissions into online contests.